Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to disable notifications in the Boo app. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Boo application, which of course I've done right here. The next thing is, where exactly can you get Boo? You can get Boo on Google Play Store or Apple Store, depending on the device that you use. Now, once you launch any of these applications, locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Boo and follow through the on-screen instructions to install. After installing the application, it's going to take you right into the sign-up page. Right then, the sign-up page, you're going to be asked to either log in using an existing account or to create an entirely new account. Whichever one you choose, once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Boo. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to disable notifications on the Boo app. From this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the left corner of your screen where you have the three horizontal lines. Click on the three horizontal lines, and once you click on that, it takes you here. We have Profile, Edit Profile, My Coins, Power Ups, Notifications, Save Post, Personalities, Personality Database, and Settings. Now you can click on Notifications from here. I'm going to show you the other way to go about it. Click on Settings, and that takes you here. We have Privacy, Language, Dark Mode, Disable Vibrations, Use Metric System, Social Feed, Notifications, Messages, Safety Tips, View Tutorial, Account, Help, Send Feedback, Legal, and Take Survey. So go ahead and click on Notifications, and it takes you here. Now, if you want to disable these notifications, then you have to toggle these off. So toggle off the likes, toggle off matches, toggle off messages, toggle off friends post, toggle off comment like, toggle off comment replies, toggle off daily push, toggle off follow request, toggle off approve follow request, toggle off email, and toggle off promotions. That way, you'll be able to disable all of your notifications in the Boo app. It's pretty much simple, right? So you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.